Hello everyone, welcome to Brain Boosters. Today we will see how we can enroll in any course which are offered by Coursera with certificate. Here we can see that Coursera is offering a lot of certificate courses in various fields like data science, health, computer science and much more subjects. So now let's say I want to enroll for a health related course. So I will simply click on it, and here again we can see a lot of relatable topics. I have chosen Introduction to Food and Health offered by Stanford. Here you can read all the information related to the course. Now you have two options here. First one is to simply click on this see enrollment options and you will directly get the access of this entire course. But you will not receive the certificate here. So if you are someone who just want to learn new things without spending money and don't really need the certificate to validate that, then you don't really need to go through any further process. But if you want to learn new skills and share the certificates on LinkedIn or any other website, you just need to click on the financial aid option. Click on apply. Here you just need to tick these two statements and below write the above statement. And now click on continue. Now fill the background information as I am filling. Now here you need to fill these two questions carefully within 150 words or more than that. I have already written my answers. Make sure you answer these questions related to the selected course. Now click on no option because obviously we don't want to pay, and write briefly the reason behind it, and then finally click on submit application. It will now show that they have received our application and they will approve it within 15 days starting from today. You will also receive an email related to your application which will look something like this. Then finally after 15 days your course will be appear here, and as you can see I have already completed 2 of their courses. So this was the entire process of getting enrolled. I hope you find it useful, and if yes, do share it with your friends and family. Thank you.